don't want to go down.
Hold on.
Can you be the one to show it? Because I'm getting grossed out by like. You be the one to show it, and then I'll eat it. Because I'm getting grossed out.
Okay, what we have here is a type of worm that's supposed to be a cucumber.
But it's, I think, a cucumber worm.
It's rather massive.
Okay.
It's so bizarre. And here is our intrepid.
I have to pop it in real fast, okay?
No, you have to put it in your mouth, open it up, and go ahead. So show it. Come on, you can do it. It's just like showing it for half a second.
Babe, I can't eat it if I do that.
Babe. Okay. 1, 2, go. Oh! Swallow it, swallow it.
No, it's good. Come here, Anna.
Pop.
Oh god.
It's juicy.
I'm good. See, I can eat that more than the frog's legs. That was. It's alright. How do you say?
Like meat. I've never tasted it. How are you gonna explain it?
It kind of tastes like the rear end of a cow.
How do you know?
I don't know.
What is that?
I need some more juice.